Missed the action of a live event last year? Well, so did we. Here's the good news. 3D Experience World is back in Nashville, Tennessee, United States of America from February 12 to 15 in 2023. Whether you are a long-time SOLIDWORKS user, just starting your product design journey, or using the 3D Experience Works portfolio, don't miss 3D Experience World and attend in person in Nashville or virtual. It's the annual event where you can network with peers, learn something new, and see what's happening in the technology world. We have an interesting agenda for you. The live event will provide more than 250 technical breakout sessions with more than 50 hands-on where you can use the software yourself and learn something. The general session, the reseller-specific sessions, the 3D Experience Playground, Model Mania competition, as well as the most famous Tuesday night special event somewhere in Nashville. The virtual event will have its own platform so that you can watch the live stream of the general sessions and attend 100 technical breakout sessions and visit our sponsor booths and more. You can also join the virtual modern media. Be part of the vibrant community of designers, engineers, entrepreneurs, and business leaders to engage and share knowledge and drive innovation around the 3D Experience Works portfolio and the SOLIDWORKS ecosystem. So, register for 3D Experience World today, either in Nashville on site or join virtually from wherever you are in the world. Looking forward to see you.